Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick little share, my unboxing of my Mesa card club kit from the Stamps of Life. So, if you watched my unboxing of my Die Hard club kit, this coordinates with that, and I will put the link here to that video. In fact, this is the set we received. Those are the dies and the inspiration card. So this will coordinate with this set. So every month we get 2 spools of ribbon. And those coordinate with the kit as well. We also get a stamped sentiment. Says, oh my gosh, it's, oops, yikes, whoa, what a day, your birthday, I forgot. We also got these chipboard pieces, and like I said, they coordinate with the stamp set, so it's a barbecue theme for Father's Day. Good theme. We received these enamel dots. Another inspiration card, and then you can find more inspiration on their website at thestampsoflife.com. We also got some of these puffy vinyl stickers. We received a die, and it says totally rad. We also received a die that says barbecue, and it's the word as well as the shadow piece. We also received a 6x9 paper pad. Normally we get 6x6. It is double-sided paper. Those are the patterns that you can see. There's 2 of each. And if you notice, these items here will be able to get die cut out by the die cuts that were included in the Die Hard kit. So yeah, makes it easy. One more flip through. You also get cardstock in your kit. And this is the color palette. And then you also get a few card bases in the powdered sugar. So that's that. You get envelopes, and you get this handy dandy envelope storage to put your kit inside, as well as the scraps. So yeah, feel free to click the bell icon down below to follow me. You'll subscribe. It'll notify you if you click the bell next to it when I upload the samples that I've made from this card kit. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks again for coming back. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!